Welcome back to Nail Chronicle. This will be my final design for 2020, and so I thought let's get rid of 2020 with a bang. Let's have some really cool nail art, and I ended up doing 2 designs, mainly because I was being indecisive and couldn't decide on the pink or blue base color. So I thought, you know what, screw it, I'm going to do both. I want to, have a little bit of fun and enjoy the polish a bit more, and yeah, so a different color for each hand, alright. For this one I decided to go with just some simple stamping. So I picked a little bits of the images on this plate. I'm using a Maniology plate. It's the only New Year's sort of style plate I've got. I have got another one with like some fireworks and sort of a party style plate, but this is probably the closest thing for a New Year's Eve themed. And that's really all I need, because I'm only really doing 1 design, or maybe 2 in the case of this year, that's New Year's Eve themed, whereas for Christmas I'm doing a lot more, so I do have a couple of Christmas plates. You can also get 10% off at Maniology using my code the Nail Chronicle. I'll pop that up on screen so you can see that one, and I really appreciate your support. The other thing I tried to do is make sure that the images suited the size of the nail. So you see here, just with the wine glass, I made sure that it fit. It was going to be a little bit small on my on the ring finger, and so I thought the pinky would suit it better, and it looked pretty cool on the pinky actually. I then just kept going along, picking different images. Because of the way the plate's laid out and the order, like if I was a bit more probably smarter with my order, I did have to clean the plate a few times, just because the polish sort of spread out quite a lot, but that's just more how I'm using it than anything, but that's alright. I still had fun with it. And the reason I chose black with this one, as with many of the other polishes, is that it does stand out, and so it's really easy to see against the pink. And yeah, I decided to do something a little bit different with the blue, just so the design would stand out, because the blue and the black were a little bit similar. So there we have it. There's my first design for 2020, depending on which video you've seen first. Don't forget to check out the blue design. There's something a little bit different on that one. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you so much for your support this year, and I hope to see you again next year. Take care and stay safe. Bye.